I'm Beth, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today I am showing you this really neat trick to get free stickers. All you have to do is fill out an envelope with your return address, a stamp, and then put that in another envelope and mail it out to Zoomies. In about a month, it will send you back your original envelope with about 5-ish stickers in it, all for free. I thought that this was really cool, and I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but it totally did, and I think you should try it too. Have a great day.